During this class, we are going to register the routes that Laravel Passport needs in order to work properly. This is going to be very easy because, as usual, Laravel Passport provides us a very useful method to register every one of those routes. For this, we just need to go to our auth service provider, and there in the boot method, we are going to use passport routes. Remember to import the definition of passport, and after this we basically have registered all the routes for Laravel Passport. To check that, we just need to go to our command prompt and get the list of routes using PHP Artisan route list. You can see here all the list of routes. I'm going to make this a little small just to check a little better this. So as you can see here, we have all the OAuth routes right here. We have the routes to authorize a client, to create a client, to update the list of clients, delete one, modify one, obtain personal access tokens, etc. And the most important thing here is the post OAuth token. This route is used to create a new access token from a valid client and probably a valid user. The problem that we have currently in our RESTful API, this may not apply any other kind of APIs, is that it is using only the throttle middleware. But it is not using, for example, the custom signature middleware that we have, and maybe any other middlewares that we are going to use. And that could be ideal if we use, instead of only throttle, to use the API group of middlewares, used like many of our other routes. So for this, we just need to redefine this route that is going directly to OAuth token. So let's create this based on this information. If we go again to our code, now to the routes, in the API ones, we just need to create a new route here. This uses the post method, and it goes to OAuth token. Then we need to specify the action, and the action is just this. As you can see here, we just need to copy this piece of the action and paste it there. After this, if we go and obtain again the list of routes, we can see how now the OAuth token route is using now the API middleware. It means that, as you can remember, that it is going to use for now the signature, the throttle, and the bindings. In fact, in the future classes, we are going to add a new middleware here that is going to be very useful as well. So it is a very good idea to do that in this way instead of using only throttle. Once we have this done, we can continue in the next class. So see you there.